Hey, you have reached Soba Realty Portal. How can I help you today?
Hey, can you tell me about your business?
Hey, sure thing. Soba Realty is a top-notch real estate developer based in Dubai. We're all about luxury properties from apartments to villas and townhouses. Our focus is on quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, ensuring every project meets high standards. If you want more details or have specific questions, just let me know.
How can you sell to the real estate businesses out there online the Gohighlevel Voice AI Agent and literally start making like $30,000 every single month as a start? Like all you need is probably 100 to 150 customers, and this is how you get customers. It's a no-brainer with the AI revolution that is taking place. So I'm going to give you a live example. For example, this is one of the big real estate firm in the United Arab Emirates, Soba Realty. So I'm going to live create this voice AI agent for the Soba Realty in this video. And I mean, see, we are not just going to make a promise that, hey, voice AI agent can do this and that and this and that, right? We are going to build a voice AI agent quickly with certain instructions that I'm going to show you right now. And then right away, it's ready for use. And then we just give them the demo right away. Like, you go and check and call this voice AI agent and see how your queries are being handled. Now, why they are going to buy your service? It's simply because, see, it's a big firm, but they are not available 24/7. Like for probably 5, 6, 7 hours, they are available, but the rest of the 24 hours they are not available. Anybody calling out there are not able to reach them. What if the voice AI agent is actually able to answer everything related to their business to anybody calling, right? Every time anybody does not pick from their customer support, the voice AI agent is going to take over, and literally it will be trained right away, as I'm going to show you. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end, because you are going to love it, right? So what we have to do is just simply, like, this is our voice AI agent, like this is a voice AI agent, but I'm going to create completely new for this. And we just create a voice AI agent, and then what instructions do we write? That would be the key, and I'm going to show it to you. So basically, I mean, you go to the sub accounts and click on settings and click on voice AI agents, and that's where you start creating new, right? And by the way, guys, before moving ahead, like before moving forward, let me just quickly tell you, of course, this is going to be a super amazing video. Let me tell you, it will be walk the talk, and I'm going to live show you how does this voice AI agent is going to answer the question, like with my phone itself. I'm going to do a live call, but at the same time, what we are going to offer you is that anybody who signs up using our referral link to the Gohighlevel, we are going to give them 127 snapshot plus one-to-one personal WhatsApp support, and this voice AI agency special snapshot, as well as the automated voice AI snapshot that you are going to get. It is super amazing, like tens of thousands of dollars of value, 100% free. In fact, we have made a quick video just to tell you personal WhatsApp support and 127 snapshot and everything that you're going to get if you use our link to sign up. Where do you get? abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. Just watch the quick video, and then we are going to create the voice AI agent. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free. the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people have seen they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahsai.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
So now, since you have watched the video, let us just begin. So this one is like my agent 149. Let me say, I can say Sobha Realty. I just put the name, and what is the welcome message? Hi, you have reached Sobha Realty portal. How can I help you? Right? This sounds cool. And then I click on next. Now here's the thing, what we do want to collect from the, what is the agent's goal? Like, you can say name, email, and contact. This is what we want to connect. Now there's the thing, like, switch to advanced mode. Now here in the advanced mode, we are going, like, there are certain default instructions, but here I'm going to give them the real instruction, which is going to make this specific to Sobha Realty voice agent, right? Now here's the thing, the caller, the voice AI does not know right now anything about Sobha Realty. So how we are going to give them the instruction? That's where it comes. This, we copy the website, and this is the prompt that we are going to give to ChatGPT, right? So I just replace this website with this one, and this is the prompt, and I copy and go to the chatgpt.com and just click here. And by the way, I mean, because you will have one-to-one personal WhatsApp support with me, you can ask for all these prompts and everything when you're trying to sell, right? So I just gave them the prompt, and let us try to see. Okay, it just generated me two. You see, it is generating the inside of the things, what all is available with the Sobha Realty and everything related with it, so that we just train our AI. So I just copy, okay, I'll just click on I prefer this response, and I'll copy this response. This is the AI agents. So what it has done is just copied, just created a, just try to copy the things. In fact, I can elaborate that. Okay, can you elaborate some more details and some specific details as well? And then I am going to copy, but let me just keep it basic and just copy. So I just copy and paste this prompt right here. And I just click on, let me just click on save. Okay. And this one, and what is the phone number? There is one phone number that you'll need to select, that this is the phone number that anybody who calls in is going, the AI agent is going to answer. By the way, guys, like, this one is like, they can even define the timing hours. Let's say they just don't want the AI agent to answer in the normal 9 to 5 VM, you can define within the AI agent, as well as like they just want the AI agent to pick the phone whenever nobody is able to pick the phone. That can be happen. And if they just want 24/7 AI agent to respond, that can also be happen. It's very simple to select. But anyways, it's very easy to do that inside the settings. Now our AI agent is ready, by the way, guys, and I'm going to live do the demo. Just imagine like how much time it took, like not even a minute. Within 1 minute, I have created this voice AI agent which is ready to sell to Sobha Realty, right? And then in the end, I'm going to tell you about the pricing, like how do you set the pricing as well. I'm going to keep it the minimal pricing so that like, and in fact, let me tell you, the AI boom, everybody is aware. None of the businesses are going to turn it down, because if you're selling it for $297 a month, I mean, these people are making $1 million a month. $297 a month are nothing, right? And even people who are making like $10,000 a month, this AI agent is worth the shot. And let me tell you how it is worth the shot, right? So I'm going to do this test call right away. All right, so just let me just put my number here and just do the test call. I'll just receive the. Hey.
Hey, you have reached Soba Realty Portal. How can I help you today?
Hey, can you tell me about your business?
Hey, sure thing. Soba Realty is a top-notch real estate developer based in Dubai. We're all about luxury properties from apartments to villas and townhouses. Our focus is on quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, ensuring every project meets high standards. If you want more details or have specific questions, just let me know.
Yeah, can you tell me like what kind of properties do you guys sell, and what are the areas in Dubai that you sell?
We offer a range of luxury properties, including apartments, villas, and townhouses. Some of the communities we have in Dubai are Sobha Heartland, Sobha Senior Island, and Sobha Sea Haven. Each community has its unique charm and features. If you want more info or have any other questions, feel free to ask.
All right. Can you detail me about the type of property, every type of property, right, and all the places that you have it?
We have a variety of properties across different communities. Here's a quick rundown. Apartments. Available in places like Sobha Heartland, Sobha Senior Island, and Sobha Sea Haven. Each offers unique views like waterfronts or cityscapes. Villas. Found in communities such as Sobha Estates and Sobha Gardenia Villas, offering luxury living with private gardens or forested landscapes. Penthouses. Luxurious options available at the S penthouses for expansive layouts. Villaments. Unique blend of villas and apartments at Gulf Ridges in Sobha 1. If you need more specific details about any property type or location, just let me know.
Okay, let me just cut short to like, how can I buy any of the property? I mean, it sounds impressive.
I'm glad you find it impressive. To buy a property, our team will guide you through the process. If you're interested, I can have someone from our sales team reach out to you for more details and assistance. Would that work for you?
Yes, I think that will work. Can you do that, please?
Absolutely. Could you please provide your contact information, like your name and phone number or email address? This way, our team can get in touch with you.
Yeah, sure. Please note down, my name is Abdullah Zahid and my phone number is +91 9958 457 688.
Got it, Abdullah. Your phone number is +91 99584576688. Our team will reach out to you soon. Thanks for your interest in Sobha Realty. Have a great day.
Thank you. So there you go, guys, and even the transcript of the entire call will be available here, and we can set it up that automatically whenever AI agent completes the call, the transcript should be sent email to somebody, right? As you can see, hey, if you Super Realty, entire transcript is available. It can automatically email right away. You go. We just did the test call, and as you can see how amazing it is, guys, like how amazing it is that just imagine now you have an inbuilt voice AI agent. All I have to do is just connect with these people that, hey, we have a voice AI agent created for you and you can live test it. And in fact, I can just record a quick video as well, that this is how, see, ask them the question about the properties, about this, about listings and stuff, the places that you're listed, show them the video and then give them that, hey, you call on this number and you can test it yourself, right? And just imagine this is like you've already pre-sold them onto the idea. And imagine when you're reaching out how many real estate companies are out there, thousands and thousands of them, and you are pre-building their voice AI agent and you're connecting with them that, hey, this is how it is. Now here's the thing, guys. I mean, let me just add to it that let's say you are already signed up to Go High Level, and but still you wanted all that snapshot one-to-one support, and as well as this voice AI snapshot, AI agency snapshot, everything. All you have to do is just, let me just quickly tell you, as well as I'm going to even show you the pricing part over here. Just go to your agency, click on settings. I mean, you just have to put the AI bonuses code into the AI employee, and that's it. We have the special offer. The moment that you put it, everything we are going to give you again, like all the snapshots. So now you click on manager offer, and you just click here within FP reference, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, and click on apply. The moment that you do that, that's it. Just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp us at +91 9958 457 688, and we are going to ensure that we give you all the snapshot we just promised. As well as the first client that you onboard, the onboarding will be on us. We are going to assign our Go High Level expert and give it to you. So here is the pricing that you can set, by the way, guys. Like, as you can see, instead of, let's say, I mean, the cost for this AI unlimited AI employee is $97 per month, but here, let's say I just put this one, $297 per month, right? And I click on save my offer now. So this will be profit. So all they have to do is just enable their AI employee unlimited from the dashboard, right? From their sub account that will be created. And you don't have to worry about that. If you have signed up using our link, we are going to do all this setup for you, like show you how do you do all this setup. So that that is why, like we are saying, just ensure that you sign up using our link. abdullahzahid.com/snapshot is the link where you land up and see the bonuses that you're going to get, and as well as the sign up link is there. So every time any let's say Soba Realty people sign up to your voice AI employee unlimited, they are being charged $297 per month. $200 is your profit. But with AI employee unlimited, you don't just get the voice AI agent, you even get the AI chatbot. Imagine you even implement the AI chatbot for them. Right, you can ask for any additional like $200, you can bill additional. And even if you want to give as a bonus, AI chatbot is like on their website, they will be, sorry, this one is like, there will be chatbot. Again, it is going to answer all the questions, book the appointment for them. Super amazing, right? So that's it, guys. This is how you literally, with this AI boom, the Go High Level is offering you this amazing thing where you can make a big bank out of it. Real estate industry, I mean, literally you can penetrate with your voice AI agent and sell it to so many people. I wish you guys all the best. Please contact me for any of the questions, and I wish to give you bonuses as soon as possible. Again, sign up to our, I mean, how do you get the bonus? Either you sign up to the Go High Level or upgrade to the Go High Level higher plan, or you put in within the manage settings, AI employee manage offer, just put AI bonuses of a referral code, and that's it. We are going to ensure, just email to us and we'll give you all the snapshot. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.